So this is the new batteries I have. As you will notice here, when you install new battery, you must need to check the voltage. It has, meron siyang 12 volts, 40 ampere hour. HSB, rechargeable battery. Papalitan natin ito, kaibigan. Sa UPS natin. Ito yung UPS natin. Meron siyang 24 volt, 38 ampere hour. Kaya isi-series ko yung dalawang battery para maging 24 volts. 12 volts, 12 volts. Oh, ayan mga kaibigan. Shout out kay Renan ng Butuan City. Shout out to my vlogs. So guys, i-off natin yung power. F1. Tignan nyo ha. F1, 2. Okay, nag-red. No? Alarm. Yun. MEUPSB bat mode. Alarm. Okay. Yan yung alarm natin. Pero yung ilaw natin, MOPA, monitor MOPB, may power pa rin yan. Kasi, syempre, no, dalawa ang supply natin. Galing sa normal power at saka galing sa battery power. So, ilok po to, no? Susukatin natin dito yung walang voltahe. And we have to remove these two fuses. So, to isolate the battery, this one fuse and another fuse, this one. Once you remove, the battery is isolated. Alarm coming. UPS controller alarm. Yun. See? No problem. We have two alarm. UPSB controller alarm and UPSB bat mode alarm. So, we are going to off-scan this one alarm because we are replacing battery on the engine. This one we have to double click, then off scan. Okay, and another one double click, off scan. So we off scan these two, 1 and 2, UPSB controller alarm and UPSB bat mode alarm. Okay, now we are going to proceed on our batteries. UPS. So notice here I have 14 volts for input 1 and we have 25 volts. So in here I have my 25 volts, that is for input 1 coming on the power supply T1, and here I have 14 volts. That 14 volts are coming on my power supply T4, T3, T4 from my batteries. Okay.